In Photo Raw 2021, you have complete control over the colors in your photography. The all-new Replace Color filter will allow you to modify and replace colors in your image instantly. In this portrait, our model's earth-toned outfit doesn't really pair well with the blue truck that she's sitting in. Well, with the newest filter inside Photo Raw 2021, the Replace Color filter, we can easily change the color of her surroundings and create what we are envisioning. With the Replace Color filter, I just choose which color I want to replace in my photograph, and then which color I want to replace it with. It's that easy. And just like that, the truck doesn't stand out so much in the scene and it fits her outfit much better. We can also mask and blend any filter inside of Photo Raw, so I can remove this filter from her headband to leave a little pop of blue color in our scene. Now let's just stylize with a creative preset to top our image off. And that's how easy it is to replace color and develop your own creative vision inside On1 Photo Raw. Get all of these features and more with On1 Photo Raw 2021 or On1 Photo Raw 360.